This is my Lego engine. I believe this is a new design for the Boxer 2 slash Flat 2. It uses less Technic pieces and it is stronger because all the pieces are linked together, and hopefully it can make it run faster. Alright, let's get on with it. So that was the engine running at pretty low speeds. I can't get it to max speed while recording because I need a stand for my phone. Also, I need a better position for the vacuum. So yeah, that's my Lego engine. As I said, I believe it's a new design, but you can tell me if it isn't in the comments.